This is the genuine Mansfield 2-inch flapper, part number 630-0173. As you can see, just in the pack already, there are two little inserts here. This hole on the white one is fairly larger than the gray. And on the back here, it tells you which insert to use based on what model number you have. And there are installation instructions included with this. They're actually inside of here. Right there. Set that off to the side. Like I said, this is a 2-inch flapper. You can see here on the ears, this hole is fairly larger than this. And that's due to the flush valve that this would go on. The ears would connect to, this one would be a larger size than this one would. It does come complete with the chain and the hook to connect to the lever. As you can see, there's an extra hole here in this flapper. And how you would change this little insert is it's right around the side of this. It's in a little groove. So you would just pop this out, just like that. Take the new one, push it in, push it inside of there. And there you go. And then I'm going to put this one back to the way it was. Back with this one in it. Now that we have that in there, we'll get a few measurements. The length of the ear itself. Across there. Across here. Then I'll put this back inside of here. And that's all for the genuine Mansfield 2-inch flapper 630-0173.